नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-28 द्रव्ययज्ञास्तपो यज्ञा, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. This shloka 4-28 is fourth of the set of 6 from 4-25 to 4-30. The shloka is द्रव्ययज्ञास्तपो यज्ञा योगयज्ञास्तथा परे स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाश्च यतयः संशितव्रताः. पदच्छेदः. द्रव्ययज्ञाः तपोयज्ञाः योगयज्ञाः तथा अपरे स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाः च यतयः संशितव्रताः. There is not much to tabulate Vakyamshashaha Vishleshanam, because Tatha is Avyayam, Cha is Avyayam. All other words, Dravyayajnaha, Tapoyajnaha, Yogayajnaha, Apare, Swadhyaya Jnanayajnaha, Yatayah, Samshitavrataha have pulling Prathama Bahuvachanam and hence are Kartrupadiyaha. The Anvaya Vakyam is Tatha Apare द्रव्ययज्ञाः तपोयज्ञाः योगयज्ञाः स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाः यतयः संशितव्रताः च भवन्ति. पदाभ्यासः. द्रव्ययज्ञाः द्रव्ययज्ञ विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. द्रव्यमयः द्रव्यैः वा यज्ञः यस्य सः द्रव्ययज्ञः बहुव्रीहि. द्रव्यमय or द्रव्यमयी feminine material having any substance consisting of wealth. द्रव्यैः द्रव्य नाम नपुंसकलिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम. No, द्रव्यम a thing, substance, object, matter, the whole creation. अधिभूत द्रव्य क्रियाकारकाख्यम धूत्वा यांत्य पुनर्भवम. The ingredient or material of anything, a material to work upon, a fit or suitable object to receive instruction, an elementary substance, the substream of properties, one of the 7 categories of the Vaisheshikas. The Dravyani are 9. पृथिव्यप तेजो पृथिवी अप तेजो वायु आकाश काल दिक् आत्म मनांसि. One of the 6 of the Jainas, Jiva, Dharma, Adharma, Pudgala, Kala and Akash. Any possession, wealth, goods, property, money, Shaddravyani, Manaya, पशव पृथिवी वासो दास्यादि कांचनम उपार्जनंच द्रव्याणां परिमर्दश्च तानि षट्. तत्तस्य किमपि द्रव्यं यो हि यस्य प्रियोजनः. तपोयज्ञः तपोयज्ञ विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. तपोमयः तपोभिः वा यज्ञः यस्य सः तपोयज्ञः. Tapomaya, adjective, consisting in religious penance, practicing penance, devout. Tapomayaha, the supreme being. Tapobhihi, tapas, nama, napusakalingam, trutiya bahuvachanam. Note tapas, tap asun, warmth, heat, fire, light, pain, suffering. न तपः कुतश्चन. Penance, religious austerity, mortification, meditation connected with the practice of personal self-denial or bodily mortification, moral virtue, merit, special duty or observance of any particular caste. Yogayajnaha, Yogayajna विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. योगः एव यज्ञः यस्मै सः योगयज्ञः बहुव्रीहि. योगः युज् भावादौ घञ् कुत्वम् joining, uniting, union, junction, combination, employment, application, use, mode, manner, course, means, consequence, result, mostly at the end of compound, on, in, ablative. A yoke, fitness, property, suitableness, an expedient, plan, means in general, endeavor, zeal, diligence, assiduity, gaining, acquiring, acquisition, fixing, putting on, practice, a side, an argument, an occasion, opportunity, possibility, occurrence, a rule, precept, deep and abstract meditation, concentration of the mind, contemplation of the Supreme Spirit, which in Yoga philosophy is defined as Chitta Vritti Nirodha. The system of philosophy established by Patanjali, which is considered to be the second division of the Sankhya philosophy, but is practically reckoned as a separate system. The chief aim of the Yoga philosophy is to teach the means by which the human soul may be completely united with the Supreme Spirit and thus secure absolution. And deep abstract meditation is laid down as the chief means of securing this end, elaborate rules being given for the proper practice of such yoga or concentration of mind. Devotion, pious seeking after God, steady application, ability, power, equality, sameness, samatvam yoga uchyate. So many meanings. स्वाध्याय ज्ञान यज्ञाः स्वाध्याय ज्ञान यज्ञ विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा बहुवचनं स्वेन अध्यायः इति स्वाध्यायः तृतीया तत्पुरुषः स्वाध्यायः च ज्ञानं च इति स्वाध्याय ज्ञाने इतरेतरद्वन्द्वः स्वाध्याय ज्ञाने एव यज्ञः यस्य सः स्वाध्याय ज्ञान यज्ञः बहुव्रीहि one who studies, acquires knowledge and practices knowledge as yajna, that is, practices knowledge as a sacred, sacrosanct routine, is swadhyaya jnana yajna. Swadhyaya, study and practice by oneself, one's own study, one's own practice. Yatayah, yati, one who strives, visheshanam, pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. In Update Dictionary, this pratipadikam yati is basically detailed as yatihi, feminine yam tin, restraint, check, control. But there is also yatihi, masculine, yatate mokshaya, yat in, an ascetic, one who has renounced the world and controlled his passions. Yatha adanam vina hasti tatha jnanam vina yati. As such, yat in makes yatin, which is also detailed separately. Yatin, masculine, an ascetic. Pullingam, prathama bahuvachanam of yatin, should be yatinaha. What we have here is yatayaha. So we have to take yatayaha to be yatihi, masculine, prathama bahuvachanam from 5.2. Yatihi, yatate mokshaya. Samshita vrataha. Samshita vrata, visheshanam, atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Samshitaha vrataha yasya saha. Samshita vrataha. Bahuvrihi. Samshita. Sam plus shi iti dhatu. Tasyakta visheshanam. Note, shi, nishane, to sharpen, to whet. Swadihi, panchamaganiyah ubhaypadi, sakarmakah anit. In Update Dictionary, she, Panchamaganiya Ubhayapadi, shinoti shinute, to whet, to sharpen, to attenuate, to make thin, to excite, to be attentive, to be sharp. Samshita, past participle, sharpened, aroused. Tataste sudita sarve mama bana susamshitaha. Sharp, acute, thoroughly completed, effected, accomplished, decided, well ascertained, determined, certain, effecting, diligent in performing, firmly adhering to a vow. Uposha samshito bhutva hitva vedakrita shruti. And under compounds of samshita is detailed samshita vrata, one who has fulfilled his vow. Vrata, vrataha, vratam, vraj, gha, jasya, taha. A religious act of devotion or austerity, vowed observance, a vow in general, abhyasyativa vratama siddharam. There are several vratas enjoined in the different Puranas, but their number cannot be said to be fixed as new ones. For example, Satyanarayana Vrata are being added every day. A vow, promise, resolve. Sobhut bhagnavrata shatrun udhrutya pratiropayan. So Satyavrata, Punyavrata, Dridhavrata, object of devotion of faith, devotion, as in Pativrataha. Patihi vratam yasyaha sa. Yanti deva vrata devan pitrun yanti pitrvrataha. This is from Bhagavad Gita 9-25. A rite, an observance, practice, as in Arka Vrata. Shabaraswamin defines it as Purushanam Kriyarthanam Sharira Dharnartho Balakarnarthashchayam Samskaro Vratam Nama. Mode of life, course of conduct. Adhatu Vetsi Shuchi Vratamatmana Atmanaha. An ordinance, a law, rule, sacrifice, an act, deed, work, a design, plan, mental activity. Vratamiti cha manasam karma uchyate. Saranshataha, overall meaning. Tatha apare द्रव्य यज्ञाः तपो यज्ञाः योग यज्ञाः स्वाध्याय ज्ञान यज्ञाः च यज्ञाः यतयः संशितव्रताः च भवन्ति. From https://archive.org/details/Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya by B.G. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In this way, some yatayaha, observing severe vows, that is, persons who have acquired mental control, perform the sacrifice of wealth, others perform the sacrifice by austerity, others by yogic practices, others by swadhyaya, that is, by observing the ritual prescribed for one's own caste, and others by jnana, that is, knowledge. Chando Vishleshana. Dravya yajna stapo yajna ashtakshani. Stapo yajna etesham matraha eka dve dve. Yoga yajna stathapare ashtakshani statathapa etesham matraha eka dve eka. Swadhyaya jnana yajnaश्च ashtakshani न यज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. यतयः संशितव्रताः अष्टलक्षाणि शितव्र एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. टिप्पण्यः, notes of self study. I have been tabulating for every type of yajna the name of the Agni, what Samidha and what Avi. Here the yajnaha are Dravya yajnaha, Tapo yajnaha, Yoga yajnaha, Swadhyaya jnana yajnaha. After yajnaha, nothing remains of Samidha and Havi. by dravya yajnaha, no dravyam remains. So all dravyam is to be considered as both samidha and havihi in the performance of dravya yajnaha. By the same token, in tapo yajnaha, yoga yajnaha and swadhyaya jnana yajnaha also, all tapaha, all yogaha and all swadhyaya jnanam are the respective samidhaha and havihi, and nothing shall remain of them. One mute question arises: if nothing is to remain of tapaha, yogaha and swadhyaya jnanam, what should one perform tapo yajnaha, yoga yajnaha and swadhyaya jnana yajnaha? Actually, the subject is dealt with in the 17th chapter with focus on yajnaha, tapaha and danam. The succinct answers to the question why to perform are in the phrases aphalakankshibhiryashtavyah eva iti satvikah yajnah ijyate 17-11. Note, satvikah yajnah is performed ijyate because it is yashtavyah eva. It has to be performed. Similarly, aphalakankshibhih satvikam tapaha taptam 17-17. Likewise, satvikam tapaha is observed because it has to be observed. And it is observed by aphalakankshibhihi, who do not expect any fruits. Satvikam danam, datavyam iti diyate 17-20. Also, satvikam danam is offered because it must be offered. Satvikam danam is basically dravya yajna. The mention of dravya yajna brings to mind Kathopanishad, which starts with the instance of Vajashravaha, father of Nachiketa, performing Sarvaveda yajna, whereby he offered all and everything of his as the ritual of the yajna, Sarvaveda yajna. This included the cows which were already pitodakaha, jagdhatrunaha, too weak to eat or drink anything. Dugdhadoha had no milk to give. Nirindriyaha had no organs as it were. Nachiketa was anxious whether offering such cows would become a benevolent sacrifice. That anxiety became the prompt for delineation of the philosophical thought in Kathopanishad. It is well known that in the economy of Vedic times, cows were wealth. So offering cows to be taken away, dakshinasu niyamanasu, by whosoever be interested, was dravya yajna, part of the Sarvaveda yajna. Maybe Sarvaveda yajna was a way to relinquish everything, or maybe to declare one's bankruptcy. Does that become another interesting connotation of the word yajna, declaring bankruptcy? For the word tapas at 2.3, I have copy pasted its meaning as available in Update Dictionary, what I did at 2.3. But in the 17th chapter, there is much more detail about tapas, especially about tapas having three aspects: shariram, vangmayam, manasam. So tapoyajnaha are those yajnavidaha yoginaha for whom observances of tapas become yajna. There is mention in this link which I just now mentioned, https://archive.org/details/Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya -BG Tilak. There the mention is swadhyaya, that is by observing the ritual prescribed for one's own caste. I don't agree with that. Swadhyaya is individual's practice. There is no need to relate it to the caste system. In Update Dictionary also, swadhyaya, self-recitation, muttering to oneself. Shubhamastu.